First exercise, push-ups. 3, 2, 1, go.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't practice if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door.
20 seconds left.
Not enough. I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take
10 seconds left.
I'm falling. The cityscape by night. Wanna catch in my photos. Where you go. Every
3, 2, 1, rest.
when I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights.
Next exercise, decline push-ups. 3, 2, 1, go.
Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door.
20 seconds left.
It's not enough. I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take
10 seconds left.
I'm falling. The cityscape by night. Wanna catch in my photos. Where you go. Every corner
3,
twice as bright.
2,
That'll be my
1,
treasure.
rest.
When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights.
Next exercise, archer push-ups. 3, 2, 1, go.
I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights.
Seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep. You pretend
20 seconds left.
you don't have to play the hero. 'Cause I got you like you got me.
10 seconds left.
Or shakes when the bombs scream until our last breath, every heartbeat.
3, 2, 1, rest.
You know I'll come running. You go to war, then I'm going with you.
Next exercise, elevated pike push-ups. 3, 2, 1, go. Twenty seconds left. 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, rest.
Ground's filled up with landmines. We will face it, standing side by side. You know I'll come running when you need. I'm coming.
Next exercise, front plank side raises. 3, 2, 1, go.
Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do.
20 seconds left. 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Switch side. 3, 2, 1. Go.
Pick up my sword and there's nothing I won't do. When you're sounding alarms and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, I'm coming on fire. I swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, I'll be your army.
I get lost.
20 seconds left.
Thoughts and when I start to think, oh, the Tahoe closest starts to end up on the bridge.
10 seconds left.
I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep, I bleed.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
It's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down.
Next exercise. Bench dips. 3, 2, 1. Go.
I wanna say goodbye.
20 seconds left.
I forgive the pain you gave to me so long ago.
10 seconds left.
Sleepless nights I laid awake just begging to let go.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
No thoughts when you stepped in. An angel sent from heaven showed me how to live again. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop?
Next exercise. Diamond push-ups.
It keeps bringing me down.
3, 2, 1. Go. Seconds left. 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Rest. So that's round 1 of your push day workout. Aim to complete at least 3 to 4 rounds with a 2-minute break in between. Give us a thumbs up if you manage to complete at least round 1 of this workout. And don't forget to smash the button for more home workout videos like this to build muscle and burn fat.